Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to check your debit card balance in 2025. Whether you're at a 7-Eleven store or using your phone, checking your balance has never been quicker or more secure. Let's get right into it, because in today's fast-paced world, you don't want to be caught off guard by your finances. First off, if you're near a 7-Eleven, their ATMs are a breeze to use. Start by locating an ATM inside the store. Most have them right by the entrance. Insert your debit card into the slot, then enter your PIN when prompted. Once you're in, look for the Balance Inquiry option on the screen. Select it, and voila! Your current balance will pop up almost instantly. Remember, in 2025, many ATMs now use biometric verification like fingerprint or facial recognition for added security, so if that's available, go ahead and use it to speed things up. If you're not near an ATM, the mobile app method is your best bet. Download your bank's app if you haven't already. Most major banks have updated versions with AI-powered features. Open the app, log in with your credentials, and navigate to the Account Summary, or Balance, section. For extra convenience, enable notifications so you get real-time updates. Pro tip: in 2025, many apps integrate with wearables, so you could check your balance right from your smartwatch. Another quick way is through online banking. Head to your bank's website on your computer or phone, log in securely, and find the dashboard that shows your account details. It's straightforward and works 24/7. Always ensure you're on a secure network to protect your info. Before we wrap up, a few safety reminders. Never share your PIN with anyone, and always log out after checking your balance. In 2025, with rising digital threats, use two-factor authentication wherever possible. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your go-to method for checking your balance? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.